In this video, I'll show you exactly how to send a friend request and add someone on Roblox in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, open the Roblox app on your phone and sign into your account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, tap the three-line menu icon in the top left corner of the screen. Now, tap on the Friends option. Enter the username of the person you want to add in the search box. Tap this button to send them a friend request. Now, all you have to do is wait for the other person to accept your friend request. Once they accept it from here, they'll automatically appear in your friends list, and you'll be able to join their games, chat with them, and see when they're online, depending on their privacy settings. And that's how you can add friends in Roblox. If this video helped you, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.